हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम लोग क्लास 1 एनएसओ सेट बी 2017 का क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द फर्स्ट सेक्शन इज लॉजिकल रीजनिंग विच इज हियर मेंशन्ड above. Now let's see the first question, which is find the missing figure in the given pattern. So if we see, the pattern is like this. The star trophy is repeated after these three. So at the question mark place, the star trophy will repeat. So correct option is option D. Now let's move to the next section. Next question, which is the heaviest? Like we have a lollipop, candle, thermos and scale. So the most heaviest is option C. Question number 3, dash is starting farthest from the ATM. So if we see, Atul is the nearest or the first and Shiva is the last, so Shiva is the farthest person from the ATM. Which of the following shapes not present in the given figure? So here we have triangles, circles, circles. So triangles, circles are given here, and then we have two options which are not clearly visible, but if we see here, the shape is a rectangular one, so we can say rectangle is also present. So the only option which is not present here right now is a square, so we will go with it. Now let's make the group of 3 juice packs here for question number 5 and count it. So the first pack is this one, the second is first, second, the third one is this, the fourth one is this, the fifth one is this, the sixth one is this. So there are 6, so option B will be the correct option here. Now let's move to the science section. Which of the body parts helps us to walk? So we are well known that the feet helps us to walk. Option A, all dash things can dash. So living things can walk? No, because plant don't walk. Natural things can breathe? No, air, water doesn't breathe. Man-made things grow? No, it is not also possible. And non-living things not breathe? It is possible. So the correct option will be option D. Match the column first and second. So column 1, air, chair and frog. Column first and column second will be is book, butterfly, soil, cat, cloud and rubber band. So we have to match it to obtain the correct option. So let's see what we can do right now is, let's go through the options first. So so option A is related to 3. So yeah, we can say that A is related to 3 in some ways or other, because the both of them are a kind of natural substance. Both of them are natural substances. Now next one is B, and it is also related to cloud too. Okay, like not only soil but also cloud is a kind of natural substance. So if we see here, 6 is not possible while 3 and 5 has a perfect pair, so we can take it out. here on the basis of the correct option selected in A. Now let's move on to the ninth question. The correct statement out of the following: we should feed our pet animals properly. A crow eats both grain and dead animals. We should grow more and more plants. So what do you think, guys? Is any of the options mentioned are incorrect? No, all of them are correct. So we will go with the option D, all these correct. Question number 10. Select the option that can be placed in the same group where object X is placed. So if we see the shapes, this is not the shape of a spherical one. So the only shape which can be matchable to this X is option D. Okay friends, now let's move on to the next section. Question number 11. Dash gives its own light while dash shines by reflecting the light on it. So we are all well known to it, like sun and moon will be the correct option here. If sun is not mentioned in the above like first section, then we will go with stars. So the correct option will be option B. Which of the following objects can be used to show that air fills space? So the balloon one will be the correct one, because until we blow air inside the balloon, it will not inflated. So it is the case here. Meena lives in Delhi. She paired some of these festivals with the season during which they are celebrated. Select the correct pair. Christmas, monsoon. So is Christmas celebrated in monsoon? No friends. Lohri, winter. Gandhi Jayanti, spring. Independence Day, winter. So the only correct option in front of us is Lohri, winter. It is also known as Makar Sankranti and celebrated in the month of January. So let's move on. I am color X. You can get me by mixing yellow and blue. So what will be it? There is a light of my color in a traffic signal too. So which means what? So we are clearly known that by mixing yellow and blue we will obtain what? Green color, my friends, and which indicates the motion like move. Based on the type of plants, select the odd one out among the following. So neem, mango, mustard and coconut. So which one is odd here? Mustard, because it is not a tree type plant, it is a kind of small plant or crop plant. Rishi had to make 4 pairs of each, having one wild, one domestic animal, but she made mistake while making one pair. So let's see. Zebra and hen both are like zebra is a wild animal. Yes, we can say zebra is a wild animal. Hen is a kind of domestic one. Leopard and sheep is also good, but in case of C, cow and horse, it is a mismatched pair because both of them are a domesticated animal, not a wild and domesticated pair. Study the given diagram showing the seeds of plants. Select the correct option regarding it. Plant seeds, cereals and pulses. So let's see what is the correct option here. So wheat, barley, maize and rice and cereals. Then gram beans and peas are pulses and coffee beans are cereals. So it will be correct, my dear friends, like both of them, like gram beans and peas are pulses type and cereals types are coffee beans. So it is correct. Option dash new mango plant can grow from the seed obtained from the mango fruit. How many mango plant can be grown from that? One. So option A will be the right one here. Let's move on to the next section, which is question number 19. The excess of X in our diet can make us fat. So which one is it? The excessive use of fast food or packed foods like this, burgers and chips, can make us fat. Select the option which pairs animals that don't live in the same type of home. So we have a pair. So which one is incorrect as per your perspective, friends? Yeah, option B is incorrect, because here we have a normal fly and it is a bee. So they don't live at the same place. Now let's see which option has the correctly matched road sign with its meaning. So let's check it out, friends, which one is correct. So if we talk about the correctly matched option, no parking is B cross. No left turn doesn't indicate by this sign, and zebra crossing is not indicated by this, and in the same manner railway crossing is also not indicated by this. So the only correct option here is option C. We eat the leaves of which one? So here we have mango, potato and wheat. So the only option we can go with is cabbage right now. The scrambled word of letters in the given box contains name of different rooms in our houses. Unscramble these letters and select the option that correctly matches the rooms with the items found in them. So it is a scrambled word. So you have to tell me what is the exact word formed here. Okay, you have a hint. It starts with K, and here the word starts with B. So it is for you guys to find out the correct word and mention in the comment section, so that I can get how sincere you are towards the studies. Now let me solve the answers first. So the correct option here will be option D, and don't forget to answer these two scramble words, okay, in the comment section. Question number 24. A dash has a beak to eat food. So which one of them has it? Like it must be a bird, so that it has a beak. So what will be the correct option here? Stroke. Stork Rashi cannot cross the road on her own because she is blind. Ritika has difficulty in talking because she is deaf. Select the option that correctly identifies the sense organ that don't work in Rashi and Ritika. So, since Rashi is blind, so the eyes will not work for him, and since Ritika is deaf, so the ears will not be working for her. So here we have the correct option is D. Now let's move on to the 26th question. Manya read weather forecast in the newspaper as shown. Which of the following items she should carry while going out for shopping? Goggles and sweaters. So it is not possible to wear sweater in this summer day or hot summer day. So what can she do right now is she can take an umbrella and goggles with her to protect herself from the sun. Let's select the option that arranges the natural water bodies in increasing order of size. So the first option in front of us here is paddle. Then we have pond, which has a greater size than puddle, and then lake, and then the last one is ocean. Next, study the given diagram. Which activity can come at place X and Y. Activity needs air, activity needs water. So the activity which needs both air and water is mentioned in X. So let's see what is it. Putting out fire, flying kite, moving certain things, or drying clothes. So what do you think about it, friends? So I think moving certain things needs both air and water. It is dependent upon the kind of thing it is. And the next is mopping floor, which needs water. So the correct option is B. Now let's check it out. The next section or next question, maybe like 29th question. Select the statement out of the following. So what is it? We should run after a moving bus. No, friends, it is quite dangerous for you guys if you do this. We should trim our nails regularly because germs may stick in our nails and can make us fall sick. Yes, it is a correct point, so we can go with it. And if we found the correct one, so we don't have to move forward to waste the time. Let's move on to question number 30. On boiling, water changes into what? Steam. You often have observed your mom cooking food and have the steam coming out of the pressure cookers as well as the other utensils which are used for making vegetables as well as food at home. Now let's come to the most awaited section, which is achievers section. So the first question is, select the setup in which if a rat is put, it will live for the longest time. Grain and water, container with hole and container with hole. So which one is correct right now? As per the current case of scenario, we must go with container with hole, because a tight container will reduce the amount of oxygen, and when at a certain time or after a passage of time, when the deficiency of air starts, the caricature must be killed inside it. So the correct option will be B. Question number 32. Refer to the given diagram. Select the option that correctly identifies plant X and Y. So here we have provide oils and provide clothing fibers too. So we can go with which one? Like the X is related to basil, coconut, fennel, or fenugreek. Tell me fast. Yeah, coconut, because it also provides oil and provides some clothing fiber also. In the next case, providing spices, which is mustard, and provide oils. So we can clearly go with option B. Refer to the word chop table. Select the correct option regarding it. Wild animals. So for the wild animals, we have to choose a correct option right now. So Let's see wild animals 3, which is BE and 10. So this is not any kind of animal we have. BEAR is the correct spelling of bear. Pet animals 8, 9, 12. So 8 is TI, 9 is GE, and 10 is 12 is ER. So tiger is also not a pet animal. Flesh eating 2 and 7. So 2 is LI and 7 is ON. So we can clearly go with this C option because it is a flesh eater. Now let's check out to the next question, the second last one, 34th number question. So here we have a covered area for some certain cells organs in the figures shown of the kids like Mohit, Vedant, Renuka and Manu. So which of these children cannot sense? Like we have to name it, which of these cannot be able to hear or what question is asking. So let's see. Rohan speaks louder than Tanmit. So it is the work of hearing, because whatever we say or speak can be feel or sensed by the hearing, and the only person who has covered his ear is Manu. So the X must be Manu. And if we see none of these options match with Manu, so we can clearly go with option D. Next, refer to the given word grid. Which of the following sessions is hidden in the grid? So basically it is talking about seasons. So seasons when new leaves grow in the tree. So when the new leaves grow. Apart from that, like let's see, here we have the winter season. Okay, and then what is it? Here we have the autumn one. Okay, and then what's next? So let's see what happens right now. Like season when there is neither cold nor hot, most of the trees have their leaves. So what is it when most of the trees shed their leaves? So most of the trees shed their leaves in the season of autumn. So we have a season for B, season when snowfall at some places. So we have a winter season in which snowfall happens at many of the hilly regions. So we can get both of B and C in front of our eyes, and A is not mentioned, so we will not consider it. So now we have done with the explanation video of 2017 Set B NSO Class 1. Please subscribe to our channel if you like the video, and if you want to enroll in our paid courses for NSO, IMO, IEO, IGKO, then please mention your name and interest in the comment section. We will contact you. Thank you.